Hey guys, Marlon with Impress Computers, and today we have a Black Friday special, guys. We're going to be talking right now on the all-in-one HP. This has a 9-3 processor, it's a home unit with 8 gigs of RAM, and you have a solid-state drive. So if you're looking for a compact size that will do all the job that you need, this will do it. And it's got a 3-year warranty with us. If anything happens to the hardware, bring it in and we'll give you another one. On the other side, we're going to have the desktop Dell Optiplex. It's a full tower case with an i5 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and then you have a solid state drive just like that one. It has a 3-year warranty. However, if you didn't do a lot of multitasking and a lot of stuff open at the same time, this would handle it just fine. We have just a few left of these, so this will be through Cyber Monday. If you have any queries, you can email us, you can call us, or you can come into the shop and then we can just talk about it. If you have any questions, you can give us a call back at 281-647-9977. Thank you.